Hello friends, so today we are going to create a very simple and easy app in Flutter using ChatGPT. So we are going to create a Would You Rather app. So as you can see, we have already created a basic app here with no coding. I deleted everything, and this is my asset file. And here you can see we have a Would You Rather JSON file. And if you open the Android Studio in PubSpec, I've already added here assets would you rather. So this is ChatGPT. Now we are going to give it instructions, very clear and concise. So let's start. So as you can see, it has given us the code. So we're going to copy it and paste it here. And here we have to change our file name. So now we are going to run our app. So here you can see we have our app here. So if I choose any option, it's going to give us a little bit of time, then it's going to change the question. Okay, so in the app you can also change the color. It has given the ripple effect and all. You can also change the container color here from here, and you can see the splash color, and you can also change the splash color also. And this is the timer. Here's the timer. So whenever you click any option, it's gonna wait for 2 seconds, then it's gonna change to next question. Thank you guys, that's it for today.